So let's get back. This is part 3, and the next thing, let's call this grass. Actually, call this object also grass. In here, gonna scroll all the way down, and you're gonna find like plant now. So let's hit that, and that's all we get. So let's do a test render, and you can see we obviously need more grass. It's definitely not enough right now. So let's fix that, and to do that, you need to change this parameter value, density per unit. Let's set it to 0.5, and you're gonna need to click again plant now, and it says it's going to plant 2500 instances. So let's click yes, and down here you can see it says planted 1093. So it did not plant 2500 as it was meant to. And to fix that, in here under collision cylinder, you will need to lower radius. So let's go really low so we don't have that problem again, and plant. So now it planted to 2500 objects. So let's render. And you can see it starts looking better, but it's still definitely not enough, so I'll cancel that render, and let's do 1.0 plant 10,000, and it did plant those 10,000 instances. And there it is. There's your grass using GroundWiz planter. Also, you can change your shader for the grass to make it look even better. So let's try that. Under your reflection, click here and choose fall off and Fresnel, and in here let's do something like 160, and roughness 0.75. And also, one thing I wanted to tell you is that you can also, with GroundWiz, make it more efficient by, let's say, if we call this grass high. Now let's do a copy of it and call it medium, and also do one more copy and call it low. And in our medium, if we go back to cylinder, in your height segments, let's put 4, and in here, when you go to cylinder, let's put 2. Actually, what's this polygon in here? I don't really get it. Let's delete that. Some bug of 3D Max, I guess, as it was not meant to be there, but anyway. And let's add in here, let's add this, and oops, and add this. And now, oh, actually, sorry, delete this. That was a mistake. Over here, you will want to add this one, and you will want to add this one. And the next thing, so for your high, you want to set 5 and 3. For your low, you're gonna set 3 and 5, and for your medium you're gonna set it to 2 and 1, and basically that's gonna be like that grass that is closer to the camera is going to use our high poly version, and as it goes far away it's gonna decrease it like to medium and low. So with those changes made, let's reset it once again and hit render, and there's your grass, looking good in my opinion. And you can try and play with some settings, maybe play with the amount of segments, height of your grass, make it look the way you like. So I guess I'm gonna end it here. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe, and sorry for my bad English, and once again thank you. Bye.